Open House 2022 done. I was super excited about it. Could not wait to get it going. I come from a space where open house had always been a big deal, so I could not wait to meet families, have the kids show off their work, and just really show off what we've been doing all year long in this classroom. Initially, I was nervous because I was like, oh my God, I haven't done an open house in 2 years. But man, the kids did the work, and that's all that mattered. And I was able to showcase all of the stuff, and it was so nice. Met families, met parents, brothers, sisters, cousins came, uncles came. It was dope. The band turned it out. It was just a good time, and so I really enjoyed myself. I love open house. Shout out to West, who open house trained me. No tree in this classroom this time, but maybe next year. We'll see. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with everyone. Loved it. Open house. One of my favorite events in the school year. Anyway, that's all. Happy Thursday.
Baby girl, walk one with your cocoa skin. Come on, let me put it in. Hold on. Down your seas and to the world.
I love dominantly. You make me weak, make me thirsty for release. One come compliment me, then become an enemy. Cop a flight to Paris low key. It's you, baby girl, I'm tryna breathe. Please, baby, try understand me. I am not a monster, I'm just a man with needs. I take flights when I learn it's time to go. Tryna take time back, crossing timing zones. Come press your lips upon me. LSD got me feeling empathy. One for out to mind chemically. Cause we suffer endlessly. Could be kamikaze, only time will tell. Even though I'm godly, might end up in hell.
Sweet melody, wind up your body upon me. You're loving, baby girl, you know me need it. Let me fight for it, me achieve it. Sweet melody, wind up your body upon me. You're loving, baby girl, you know me need it. Let me fight for it, me achieve it.
Feel my love drip over your skin. Rich dark chocolate, sweet melanin. Forevermore you gon' be my kin. Whatever drives by and they let no man enter in.
Taking flights, crossing time zones. We are giving you the most high zone. Okay? Hey, we want to see some hand up in the air, you know. And some lighter to light it, touch it, scotch it.
This meditation of me going up in a elation. You the body singing your creation, eh. But you're loving good like education. Run, come see, yeah. Pull up to me, punchy, yeah. The loving way you have, you know me need it, boy. Make me fight for it, me achieve it, eh. Sweet melody, they on me frequency, eh. The loving way you have, you know me need it, boy. Make me fight for it, me achieve. I'll ease your pain like Volta and lay your head on my shoulder then. Feel like you're my rock, so me hold you down like the boulder them. No summer now, but me keep you warm when it cold again. Love you till we old and then we live and we grow old again.